Hello guys, be here, and today we're gonna be making this cute car with this summer Swissies set, and then we're gonna be using also this set that was recently released, the Celebrate Swissies. I am also using other products from other companies, this stencil from Miss Ink Stamps, and these other stencils also from Miss Ink Stamps. And then we're going to be using this die, the couch die from Scrappy Boy Stamps. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I have a piece of cardstock that is 5 7/8 by 5 7/8, but I think it's a little bit larger and we're gonna have to cut some on the sides at the end, but we'll see when we get there. So I'm gonna be using this stencil, the stone pattern, for my floor. We're gonna create kind of like a living room, I guess. And for this, I'm going to be using Lost Shadow Distress ink. I am going to speed through this part as all I'm doing is just filling this stencil. Then here I have my stencil for my wall, and for this one I am going to be using Victorian Velvet Distress Oxide. Again, I'm going to speed through this part and I'll see you at the end. And now I remove that stencil, and here is how it looks like. I'm also going to remove my post-it notes. I was scared that it was going to be stained on the floor, but it was okay with putting that. So as I said before, we had to remove some or trim some of the edges here, and that's all I am doing right here, trimming a little bit from all the edges. After that's done, here I have my couch ready to go for my living room, and all I'm gonna do is add some glue. I'm not gonna put dimensionals or anything on this couch. Now it's time to stamp my images, and I am using the sitting one from the Celebrating Swissies, and I am stamping on hammer mill 100-pound cardstock, and I'm using Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And while we're doing all this stamping, I wanted to invite you to come join our Facebook group. It's the CC Designs inspiration group, where all the design team posts their makes, and also others that are fans of CC Design post their makes as well. There we have a monthly challenge that you can win a gift certificate to the shop. Okay, so here I'm just showing you all my stamped images, and then I have colored them. Look how cute! And I use sentiments from both sets. And now all I'm gonna do is glue down my panel, and we're gonna put our Swissies on the car. For one of my Swissies, I am just gluing her down with regular glue, which is the girl that is holding the cupcakes. And for my other one, I am putting the dimensionals. And then I use some black cardstock to mat my sentiments, and we're gonna put them on our car, and our car will be done. And this is how our car looks like. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.